Once upon a time, there's a lots of treasure. There's a treasure filled with magical weapons. That is Bantay-Bantay with the super powerful skeleton horse rider with his minion, the pink zombie bazooka. Now, the adventure.
It's called the Zombie Piglin.
Yeah. And then, they are going to bantay-bantay the treasure. The zombie bazooka and the skeleton wire.
It's not the zombie bazooka. It's Zombie Pipe.
Okay, now.
It's Zombie Pipe Piglin, bro.
Okay, now here comes the hero of them all, who's riding the black dragon. What happened now next? Now, what happened next? Now, he's riding. Right? Oh no, hey, may force field doon, may force field. Hey, don't get. Okay, skeleton, oh, defend. No, hey. Hey, skeleton. Hey, skeleton warrior super attack. Oh, take it out. Hey. Attack, kali. Ay. Oh no.